Hi guys, hope you all fine. Happy to welcome you all in GD Talks. Today we are going to discuss about the difference between love and like. Both the words are similar but not the same. Let's get started. Once there is a family with two daughters. They had a wonderful garden with colorful flowers. Strangely, there were no flowers except two roses. So, the mother told her daughters they could take each one. The younger sister immediately plucked the flower, but the elder one did not do the same. When the younger noticed that the remaining flower is still in the plant, she wanted to pluck that too, but the elder one did not allow her to do because she wanted the flower should be in the plant. The younger one got tensed because the elder sister did not pluck it and not allow her to. On observing this, the mother called the younger and said, "You like the flower, so you plucked it. Your sister loved the flower, so she wanted to enjoy its beauty for a long time." With this story, easily we can differentiate the words love and like. According to the story, if you pluck a flower, it will meet its end in the same day. But if you leave the flower in the plant, it will increase its lifetime. This is the difference. From this, we can understand that when we like something, it will give us instant pleasure because we are getting that thing instantly, right? When we love something, it will give us satisfaction. When we love something, we will nurture it and experience the happiness for a long time. When we love something, we want to spend time in that. But when we like something, we don't spend time and we will try to get those things instantly. But the happiness with the instant things also instant. It will vanish away within no time. But human mentality always need everything instantly. That's why the pleasure with those things also instant. Nobody is ready to be with patience. There is no patience at all. Whatever we get instantly will be vanish away instantly within no time. We used to see many headlines or thumbnails like learn a language in 30 days, lose weight in 1 week, make money within a day of time. But on seeing this, we know these things are practically impossible, but we are urged to click it. When we are seeing something which takes a longer duration, like learn a language within 365 days, or lose weight within 6 months, or make money with a good business with 5 years, we won't click at all because we want everything instantly. Nowadays, the whole world become instant. It's running behind something. But behind what is a big question mark. May these kind of things give some improvements. But at that situation, it will be seems to be better. But really what? These improvements are not stable and not too large. It will be a very little bit of your desire. We should accept that Rome is not built in a day. Nothing will come within no time. Real knowledge, real satisfaction, real destiny, real success, and real understanding in a relationship takes time. There you can feel the real happiness. It won't vanish away within no time. This kind of happiness is long lasting. We can enjoy it for a long time. According to the story, when you pluck a flower, you can take it with you wherever you go. You can enjoy its freshness, you can admire its beauty, everything. But how long? If you leave the same flower in the plant, you can enjoy its beauty, you can admire its freshness for a long time. But the only thing, you have to go near the plant. You cannot carry it wherever you go. But the time of happiness is longer than what you have done before. So stop liking, start loving if something you want really in your life. Give time and take time with patience to get the real happiness in your life. Hope you all like this video. If you really like this video, don't forget to give thumbs up to this video. And if you didn't subscribe our channel yet, subscribe it so that you can get all the upcoming videos without fail. Thank you, friends.